Good morning everyone. Here in the previous class we can discuss about sin of 2a, cos of 3a, sin of 2a, cos of 2a, sin of 3a, cos of 3a and tan of 3a concepts will be discussed. Here very important one, sin of 2a. Sin of 2a is expressed in terms of tan. Sin of 2a can be expressed in the form of tan. Previous class we know that the sin of 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. This formula can be expressed in the form of tan. This formula sin of 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Here already we proved that. Here this formula can be introduced in terms of tan. Here for this purpose we can multiply cos a upper side as well as numerator as well as denominator. Then sin of 2a is equal to here 2 into sin a divided by cos a into cos a value cos square a, because here cos sin divided by cos expressed as a tan, that's why we multiply cos a divided by cos a. Here sin of 2a is equal to 2 sin a divided by cos a value is tan a into here cos square a. Therefore sin of 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by cos can be expressed in the form of sec square a. Here cos square a is equal to 1 divided by sec square a value. That's why cos square a 1 divided by sec square a introduced. Here sin of 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a, because we know that the identity sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square. Here sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Sin of 2a form that can be expressed in the form of tan. That's why we multiply cos a divided by cos a. Then cos a into cos a value is cos square a. Sin a divided by cos a value is tan a. Tan a value is come. Here cos square can be expressed in the form of 1 divided by sec square a. 1 divided by sec square a. Sec square a value is 1 plus tan square a. Sin of 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Here this is a very important formula. Sin of 2a gets two formula. One is sin of 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Another one is sin of 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square. Here sin of 2a purpose we get two formula. Sin of 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a 1. Another one is sin of 2a is equal to, in terms of tan, 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square. Similarly another formula is cos of 2a. Cos of 2a. Cos of 2a. Cos of 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square. Already we can prove it. Here cos of 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Here is very important formula. Cos of 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Here alternate this one is divided by 1. There is no changes. Here cos of 2a cos of 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a divided by, one can be represented as cos square a plus sin square, because identity, first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here expressed as cos square a plus sin square a value is 1. Then divide numerator and denominator by cos square a. Here divide numerator as well as denominator cos square a. Cos of 2a, cos of 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos square a whole divided by cos square a plus sin square a whole divided by cos square a. Here split this one is cos square a divided by cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos square a whole divided by cos square a divided by cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a. Here cos square a get cancelled. Here also cos square a get cancelled. That implies cos of 2a is equal to 1 minus sin square a divided by cos square a value is tan square a. 1 minus tan square a whole divided by, here cos square a get cancelled, again we get 1 plus sin square a divided by cos square a value is tan square a. Here another very important formula is cos of 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Here we know that cos of 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a divided by 1. Then one value is taken as cos square a plus sin square a, first identities. Divide numerator as well as denominator by cos square a, we get here cos square get cancelled. Here also cos square get cancelled. Sin square a divided by cos square a, sin square a divided by cos square a. Here its value is 1. Sin square a divided by cos square value is tan square. Here the value is 1. Again sin square a divided by cos square a value is tan square a. Here we get the result sin of 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Another one is sin of 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Here it's a derived form. We know that the cos of 2a result already. Here cos of 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. It's a derived form is cos of 2a expressed in term of tan 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square. Here these two are very important result to remember. Okay, list of formula for multiple angle. Here list of formula for multiple angle. List of formula for multiple angles, you can take here first sin of 2a. Sin of 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. 2 sin a into cos a. Sin of 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Another, this formula can be expressed in terms of sin and cos. Again, sin of 2a, another formula is sin of 2a can be expressed in terms of tan. 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. There are two formula for sin of 2a. Again, here cos of 2a gets again four formula, that is cos of 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a One formula cos square A minus sin square A. One formula cos of 2A. Again another formula for cos of 2A is 2 cos square A minus 1. 2 cos square A minus 1. Again cos of 2A, yes, another formula is 1 minus 2 sin square A. 1 minus 2 sin square A. Another last problem formula for express in terms of tan is cos of 2A is equal to 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. Then here sin of 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Sin of 3A is equal to 2 tan A divided by sin of 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Here cos of 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Cos of 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Cos of 2A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Cos of 2A is equal to 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Again sin of 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Cos of 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. 3 cos A. Here these are very important formula to remember. Up to here we can discuss about multiple angles. Then here discuss submultiples angle. Multiple angles. The concept of multiple angles we know already, but submultiple means here A is an angle, its submultiple is represented by A by 2. Here half of this one can be expressed in the form of submultiple angle. Then 2A can be expressed in terms of A. 4A expressed as 2A. Here multiple angles, and these are the submultiple angles. These are the submultiple angles. Here we consider A is a multiple angle. Exactly half of that one is called submultiple angles. Here we can take one is a multiple angle, another one is a submultiple angle formula. Here multiple angles and submultiple angles. Here sin of 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Here this is a formula for multiple angle. Sin of 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Exactly half. Here 2A reduced to sin A. 2A reduced to A is equal to 2 sin A reduced to A by 2 and cos of A by 2. Cos of A by 2. Another formula for sin of 2A is 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Again here this can be expressed 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Then in terms of cos of 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Then 2 cos square A minus 1 minus 2 sin square A, and the last one 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. Here cos of A, because it's a 2A can be reduced into A, exactly half of its formula is cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. Then 2 cos square A by 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2. A can be expressed A by 2 exactly half of its. Then tan of 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. Here tan of A is equal to 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square A by 2. These are the multiple angles and these are the submultiple angles to remember.